Hi, Tim Bigham for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. Taking a look at a market that's just kind of chopping around, waiting for the Fed. All eyes on that. Obviously, Apple earnings as well. So we'll see what comes of those two. I think the Fed absolutely on hold here, maybe for the rest of the year. 2.5%, I think. Probably going to be the ultimate Fed funds rate they kind of stop at. May jawbone it higher, certainly, but I think given economic conditions softening, certainly inflation really nowhere evident. Fed certainly has, I think, almost a prerogative to sit on their hands here. Apple, I think, will be somewhat of a non-event for Apple earnings, given the fact they kind of pre-warned, about a month ago. So the stock hit really hard, bounced back up. We're actually above the levels from that warning. So unless Apple has some sort of bombshell news, I think that might be a kind of non-event. I think the market overall may struggle here for 2019. So I really favor value over growth here, more leaning on that dividend yield. Stocks, such as Warren Buffett favors the Procter & Gamble's of the world, let's call it. One stock I really like here is AbbVie. This is a stock that had earnings Friday. Came out and missed slightly on both the top and bottom line. Kind of warned on Humira sales overseas. Stock got absolutely torched, down 10% on just a slight earnings miss. They reaffirmed pretty much guidance going forward, so they're looking for $8.70 for 2019. The stock last I looked somewhere in the mid 77s. You're looking at forward PE under 10, 5.5% dividend yield, payout ratio less than 60, so that dividend certainly safe here. So I like a covered call strategy here with implied volatility still somewhat elevated given that big drop we saw in AbbVie. I like buying shares, selling the January 80 calls slightly out of the money, paying anything less than 71 bucks here. Again, you're getting that 5.5% yield on the stock, bringing in about another 8.5% on that covered call sale. So total standstill return somewhere, 13.5 to 14%. Given my view that the market will be tough to, get even to double digits this year, I really like that trade going forward. Otherwise, I think all eyes on the Fed, probably not much there. We'll see what Apple, Boeing, Facebook, a big earnings week coming out. So earnings so far have been lukewarm. Valuations getting a little stretched here. I think it'll be big range, no change for the market over the next couple months, more of a trader's market. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.